So I have two keyframes, one here, and I just created another one here. I'm going to move this keyframe in the graph, and you can see that you have a great deal of control over how you move your model. And it's a good way to visually see how the model interacts with the rest of the scene. If you have very, very minute tweaks that you want to do with the model, say you want to twist the hand just a certain way, the graph might be a good way to do this. And the beauty of using the graph is that you can see how each keyframe affects the rest of the animation. So I set a keyframe here, and you'll notice a big bubble appeared right behind it. Well, you wouldn't see that by just using the dials or the editing tools. But what this tells you is that you have a wild movement happening right before this keyframe. If we go back, you'll see that the movement gets very dramatic before we move our little hand keyframe. And you'll see that the hand is it's raised way high here because of what we did here. So using the graph allows you to make adjustments as you go, not just for one frame, but throughout an entire animation.